Is Chrome eating up all of your memory? You are in the right place. Here are 13 working fixes, shown step by step from the easiest to the hardest.
First, find out what is eating your RAM. Press Shift and Escape to open Chrome's Task Manager. Every tab, every extension, and every background process is listed here.
Click the Memory Footprint column to sort by memory usage. A normal tab uses roughly 50 to 100 megabytes. If a number keeps climbing while the tab sits idle, that is a memory leak. Select the biggest offender, then click End Process. Memory is freed instantly, and the rest of Chrome keeps running.
Chrome can even show each tab's memory on Hover under Settings, Appearance, and Show Tab Memory Usage.
Next, the classic fix. Close the tabs you do not need. Then quit Chrome completely, using the menu and Exit. On a Mac, press Command Q. Relaunch the browser, and the memory it was holding is released.
If Chrome crashed, it may ask, Restore pages? Choose No Thanks to keep memory low.
Now, turn on Chrome's most powerful memory tool. Open Settings, then Performance. Turn on Memory Saver. Chrome will automatically suspend inactive tabs and free their memory.
Pick a level. Moderate keeps tabs alive longer. Balanced, the recommended option, finds the optimal timing. Maximum frees memory the fastest. You can even add sites you always want kept active. Inactive tabs stay in the tab strip and reload instantly when you click them.
Energy Saver is next. In the same performance settings, turn it on. Chrome reduces background activity and image capture to save battery. Choose when it activates only below 20% battery or whenever the computer is unplugged. You will see a leaf icon in the toolbar while it is active.
Extensions are a common memory hog. Open the menu, Extensions, and Manage Extensions. Turn off anything you do not use or press Remove to delete it.
Not sure which one is guilty? Disable them all, then switch them back on one by one. For a quick test, open the problem site in an incognito window with Ctrl-Shift-N. Extensions are off there by default.
Stop Chrome from preloading pages you may never visit. In Settings, Performance, find Preload Pages and choose No Preloading. Restart Chrome once and memory use drops.
Chrome can keep running in the background after you close it. Open Settings and System. Turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed.
Also consider turning off Startup Boost, which preloads Chrome at sign-in. After a full quit, no Chrome processes remain.
Uploaded cache slows Chrome down. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to open clear browsing data. Check cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Data. Be careful, clearing cookies will sign you out of websites.
Graphics acceleration can also cause problems. In Settings and System, toggle Use Graphics Acceleration when available, then click Relaunch.
If pages still struggle, check Chrome/GPU. Every feature should show hardware accelerated in green. If something shows software only, update your graphics driver.
Keep Chrome current. Open the menu, Help, and About Google Chrome. If an update is ready, click Relaunch. Old versions carry old memory bugs.
If nothing else works, reset Chrome. Go to Settings and reset settings. Click Restore settings to their original defaults, then confirm with Reset Settings. Your bookmarks, history, and passwords are safe.
For deeper fixes, adjust Windows itself. Open System Properties and Performance options. In Virtual Memory, uncheck Automatic Management and choose Custom Size. A common rule of thumb, initial size is RAM times 1.5, maximum is RAM times 3.
For malware, use Windows Security. Chrome's own cleanup tool was retired back in 2023. Close other heavy apps like Discord, Slack, or Visual Studio Code. They are mini browsers too. And if memory is still tight, upgrading your RAM is the real fix.
On a Mac, the same Chrome settings apply. To check memory, open Activity Monitor in Applications, Utilities, and click the Memory tab. If Chrome freezes, force quit with Command Option Escape, and always quit Chrome fully with Command Q.
So why does Chrome use so much memory? Because each site runs in its own sandboxed process. That isolation protects you, but it costs RAM.
Extensions add background processes around the clock. Heavy sites like YouTube, Gmail, or Figma grow their footprint over time. Recent pages are kept in a back and forward cache, and preloading stores pages you may never open. Chrome's answer is Memory Saver, built in since version 108, with its modes added in version 130.
Here is the order that works best. Diagnose with the Task Manager. Turn on Memory Saver. Tame your extensions. Clear the cache. And reset settings only as a last resort. Which fix worked for you? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.